Senator representing Abia North, Orji Kalu, has defended the economic policies of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, saying Nigerians are reacting negatively because they are used to getting easy money without working hard. Speaking with journalists at the National Assembly complex on Tuesday, 27th of May 2025, the former Abia State Governor and Senate Chief Whip acknowledged the current hardship in the country, but urged citizens to be patient, insisting that the benefit of the ongoing economic reforms will be evident in the coming years. Let me be honest with you. I'm a businessman, not a politician. There are only a few things that are not happening. The indices of Mr. President's policy might not be working down the line. People are still suffering. Yes, I agree with that. But it has started trickling in at the macro level. That is, at the upper level, not the lower level, he stated. Kalu says that he hoped that in the next 2 to 3 years, the president's policy will trickle down and Nigerians will appreciate what he's doing.
Down the line, people are still suffering. Yes, I agree that. But it started trickling in on the macro level. That's on the upper level, not on the lower level. So I'm hoping that in the next 2 to 3 years, the policies of Mr. President will trickle down and Nigerians will appreciate what Mr. President is doing. Since 1960, I'm not a sycophant. This is first president. You know, I have tank farms. This is first president that stopped subsidy. This is first president they matched the $2. That is why we are suffering. Because Nigerians are not used to working hard. We are used to getting cheap money. People sleep in their houses and use telephone and get dollar and sell it at very high rate. People sit in their houses and use their tank farms and collect paper and they make money. But this is one president who have said, if you are ready to make money, make it the right way. If you are not ready to make money, you leave it. So I don't think, moreover, they have to vote for him because, you see, President Tinubu is not going to be a president voted by the South alone. He will be a president that will be voted by North and South. And it's also for the interest of everybody.
He praised President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's bold moves, including the removal of fuel subsidy and the unification of foreign exchange rates, calling them unprecedented since Nigeria's independence. Since 1960, this is the first president, and I have the fact, who stopped the fuel subsidy. This is the first president who matched the dollar rates. That is why we are suffering, because Nigerians are not used to working hard. We are used to getting money easy, Kalu stated. He further criticized the culture of unearned wealth, pointing to practices such as currency speculation and profiteering through tax firms and government papers. While Kalu's revelation has sparked reactions from many Nigerians, share your opinion in the comment box section below and please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.